Hello everyone. So in today's session we will be learning about how to write a program to find factorial of a number. So first of all, what is the factorial of a number? Let us assume I have taken a number num is equal to 5. Okay, so what am I supposed to do? I have to multiply the number with all of the numbers which is before it. For example, 5 into 4, 3, 2, 1. So what am I supposed to do? I have to multiply all of these numbers and that will be equal to around 120. How? 5 fours are 20, 20 into 3 60, 60 into t 120 and 120 into 1 is 120. So the answer is 120, that is the factorial of 5 is 120. But how we are going to multiply all of these numbers? For this we have to iterate it. How we are going to do that? Let's just check that out. So for initially I will be taking out a variable named as fact in which I will be taking a value 1. Okay, because if I have taken 0, any number multiplied by 0 will be 0. Because I have to iterate, I'll be taking a loop over here and I will write the condition. Iterate this condition up to when? Up to the number is greater than 0. Because right now we have mentioned that we have to multiply 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. Right? So the number should be greater than 0. Only up to that I have to do the multiplication. So if number is greater than 0, I have to multiply it continuously, iterately. How? So initially, what I will do, I will write a statement. Please make it very clear. Fact is equal to, what is the num value first of all? Whom am I supposed to multiply? 5, right? 5 into the value of fact. The value of fact is currently what? 1, right? Because I have to store the last updated value of fact as well. So the last updated value of fact is 1. So 5 into 1 will be 5. Now, here the value of num is what? 5. Here the value of num is 5. Then I have multiplied now 5. Now I will do what? I will take num as 4. If I have taken num as 4, I will write it out as 4 into, what is the last updated value of 5? Fact. This is fact, I must say. Last updated value of fact is 5. So I will write here as 5 and the updated value will be 20 now. I will repeat it. I have taken a variable fact in which I will just store the result, okay? And I have to multiply all the numbers but taken from 5 up to what? Up to greater than 0, which is 1 of course. So initially I have taken num is equal to 5. I have multiplied 5 into the fact that is equal to 5, right? Then I have taken the second number. This I have multiplied, this I have multiplied, so I will mark them. Now we have third number, that is num is equal to 3. Again, update the value of fact. What is the 3 whom to which I have to multiply 3? The last updated value of fact, that is 20. So I will write here as 20 and the updated value of fact will be 60. 3 is also done now. Now is the turn of 2. So num will be equal to 2 and I will multiply 2 with what? Last updated value of fact is 60 and that is 120. So 2 is also done. Now remains 1. So num is equal to 1 and I will multiply 1 into 1 to 0, that is equal to 1 to 0, right? Now num is equal to 0, but as I have mentioned above that it should iterate only up to when num is greater than 0. So the condition will become false here and it will no more iterate further. And I have got my correct answer, that is 120. Hope you have got how to calculate the factorial of a number. Let's just move on to the coding section. So as of now, I will be taking the variable num over here. Say I will take 5. Now I will write out a condition, that is while num is greater than 0, do what? Take a variable named as fact and initialize it with 1. So I will write it here. Fact is equal to fact into num. Okay, and after that decrement the number value. Why? Because if you can see, initially the number was 5, then it was 4, then it was 3, 2, 1 and 0. Therefore we have to decrement the value of number always. And after that, print the statement of factorial. Print the value of factorial in fact. So the answer is 120. If I will say 7, it will just multiply with all of the values and the answer will be 5040. This is how we will calculate the factorial of a number. Hope you guys have got it and understood it. Thank you very much.